One night. First night in the garage, dude. Just got the car yesterday. And there's fucking blood. What the fuck? Dude, I just saw that as soon as I started recording. What the fuck did you kill? Man, this ain't cool. Alright, if I go straight up from here, that's right there, so you obviously killed what the fuck? Jackass. I guess we'll never know. Whatever.